Hi everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our Learning Stack tutorial series. I am Haile Yafu, and today we are diving deeper into building our backend with Node.js and Pack and Express. Whether you are just starting out or already have some experience, I am here to help you to connect the good and bring your web application live. If you have been following along, you already on your way to mastering the Learning Stack. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a step on this journey. And let's jump right in and continue building together. Before starting this third day of video, you have to visit. You have to start from the first two chapters. On the first two chapters, go here on playlist section. We have two videos: introduction to the stack, revision on installation notice, and today also we will discuss on the MongoDB because today is the third day. So let's continue to the main topic. Today's topic. Today we will see MongoDB chapter 2. Chapter 2, creating a MongoDB database cluster. First, this is a MongoDB style. Subscribe, like, and comment. Ready to start setting up your database. Follow these quick steps. The first one, create a cluster. Second one, add security access. The third one is load sample data. This one is optional. It is not obligatory. The fourth one is connect your cluster. After connecting cluster, we will see integrate with the XPath to do the authentication, controllers, routers, and etc. Outlines on MongoDB. On this topic, we will see these outlines one by one. Introduction to MongoDB, setting up MongoDB Atlas Cloud, creating a cluster, security, set authentication and connection, third, create or add new database user, third, allow your IP address. Introduction to MongoDB. MongoDB, it helps to store data in a collection of documents. MongoDB provides flexible and scalable solutions for storing and writing data. In MongoDB, each document is flexible, just like structure and boson means B means binary, JS means JavaScript object notation, binary script object notation is so on, allowing for a dynamic schema. Documents can have varying fields. Documents can have varying fields, making it easier to store unstructured data. Suitable for hierarchical data storage and nested documents and arrays. Compare with MySQL. Let's see, or let's add a sample. Let's compare MongoDB with one of the structured method of data storage, MySQL. MySQL stores data in tables with predefined schemas. Each table has fixed columns and each row has represented there. Data is highly structured and each entry must conform to the schema. Well suited for application frame string data. integrity and relationships between entities. But MySQL or the structured has its own limitations because it is structured. It puts all its data with fixed size, fixed table, fixed everything is fixed. So we can't store any document, or it is not suitable for scalable operations. MySQL is not suitable because we already have a fixed size. I'm saying this is a collection of tables in rows and the columns. The first one is this is the user's collection data. You see, MySQL it stores MySQL. MySQL MySQL stores in tables and in rows. Everything is in row. Okay. So obviously everything is in row. Everything in row structure. In row structure. Okay. Let's type on continue. So we should structured MySQL is structured query language that requires structural query language. It also puts in terms of tables, here as we know, it puts 0 1 0 0 1 0 and it puts the data in the form of collections of tables. Both takes the same options, the same data, a sample of data is samples of users data, sample of users data for 2%, this one is personal, I do want. The same was sample both MongoDB and MySQL. How MongoDB and MySQL put this data in the form in their form or in their structure. For example, a 2% sample. It's the first one. This data is for the first one, and this one is for the second one, the second person. How we put this structure data? We will see in MongoDB and MySQL. MySQL. Okay. Visual representation of MySQL. In my visual representation of the previous data, in MongoDB, we can put like this. We can put this is for in MongoDB. In MongoDB, we can put like this, just as a document. This one is the first one. This is the first one, and this one is the second person. But it puts in the form of objects. Have you seen in the form of objects? MongoDB puts because everything in JavaScript, everything is done with a form of objects. Then this is simple for doing operations in JavaScript. This first one, the person one. Everything is, yeah. This one is for the first one, and this one is for the second one. Now let's see. Obviously, we have to consider this one is a form of an object. This is object structure. It shows in object structure. Yeah, this curly brace shows object structure. Now let's see. But whereas in MySQL, the same data in MySQL, uses relational model where data is stored in static tables with predefined schemas. Predefined schemas. MySQL puts with a predefined columns and each row is recurred structure with specific columns for each user. Can you see? It puts in the form of uh, in the form of tables. In the form of tables. In the row. This one row. This one row. Yeah, like this. This one is another row. This one is another. But this one is a predefined structure. The first one is a predefined structure. Yeah. It is difficult to scalable and add extra new data. It is not flexible. It is not scalable. It is all scalable and difficult because it has a fixed size. Because of why it is not scalable, or because we put it with a predefined schemas. With a predefined schemas. So it is difficult to scalable. Now let's see setting up MongoDB Atlas cloud. After completing this, after we will see practically, after see this slide. Setting up MongoDB Atlas cloud. The easiest and the quickest way to get started. Manual installation is not required on our machine for development and testing purpose. The cloud service will generate a server instance for MongoDB along with the credentials to access the database for our express. Use MongoDB Atlas free tiers. Okay. Okay. When we search this link, when we search this one. When we search this one, when we search this one, when we search this one, we will get it will take us to page this page, Atlas page. In Atlas page, we will see one by one later, but let's see for the theory part in slide 4. Learn, say what is your primary goal? It says what is your primary goal? In that section, select learn MongoDB. Have you been developing softwares, or you can select your option, and in the getting to the part in the programming language, we could select JavaScript or Node.js. And what types of data will your projects will use a customer? What will application include of the following architectural design? Not sure, because we will use cancel it, and finally, the, after finishing this, we can use after filling this information, you can select finish button. Finish button. Finish button. After finishing this page, to takes us to this page. We should select MO free, so MO free, and this MO and free tier. And then finally, when we click this one, it leads us to this page. In this page, select cluster, AWS, and the nearest region, and finally create deployment. Select deployment. So the first one should be select this cluster O, and this one provider session. See this picture one by one. The first one, this cluster O. The second one, AWS. Last one, your nearest region. It may be select automatically. And finally, select this create deployment method. Create deployment method. After clicking, the next step is security quick start and set authentication and connection method. So set authentication and connection method. Set authentication and connection method. The first one under the first one, this select user and password. Then fill your information. This one, give password, username, password. Then create user. Then it gives us, after that, it gives us to go to this my local deployment page. This gives to access from a specific IP address. We should select my local. Who is one but for now, let's then edit the IP address. Edit the IP address. We will see one by one. And then finally, after selecting, don't forget this one. After finally select finish in the close button. Then finally go to this page cluster overview. Now cluster is displayed and it is ready to accept incoming connections. Ready to accept. Make sure you got this cluster. This cluster is okay. Now the next step is to really accept incoming connections. Now let's now go to database section. Go to database section. The first step one is go to this database section. This database section. Database section. Then go to this page. This one. Add new database. You have to add new database. Then you should see this one in detail. Yeah. The first under security, click on database access link. Database access link. Second, add new database user. Add new database user. Then it gives us to this page. This gives us select this one. This authentication method. Select authentication method. Then fill password and authentication you put previously. Okay, you put previously. Finally, select this one here. Don't forget this multi-installer. You should select Atlas admin, Atlas admin, Atlas admin, and finally add user. In this selection, add new data user and select authentication and password. Select authentication and password. Fill your own previous username and password. Select built-in role to be Atlas admin. Finally, click add user. Finally, click add user. Finally, add user. We will see practical wonder. Now we'll go here. We'll go here. We'll go here to the network, the network access channel here. The network access. And second, go to here. Add current IP address. Add current IP address. This one is. So now next to that page, allow your IP address. You need to select network access menu. After network access menu, you will get allow this portal and they confirm this page. Okay, we will see for the next time, but now let's create our MongoDB database one by one. These pages for the next chapters, that for the next, we will see one by one. Let's go back. Now let's see this page. Let's see this one. Let's copy zone and copy new tab, Google, then google.com, put yeah, https MongoDB and then https://www.mongodb.com/atlas/database. Then press enter. Press enter. We will select this one. New database. Let's sign up with Google. My name is slow. Yeah, is this one? Is this a new mail? Continue. Agree. Yeah. Agree and send it. Agree and send it. Yeah, well, because it is an email. Agree and send it. It is good for you to learn from the basics. Yeah, we got the last page. Once you register, you can use your first free tier account. That for the second time, it may be disturbing. Yeah. It takes some time. Yeah, we got this one, we got this one. Now let's fill one by one. We have to select what's your primary goal, learning MongoDB. Have you long been developing MongoDB? Can select. Mm, Have you developing something? Then make sure each follows. Then the next one here, select what is the language, make sure JavaScript and Node.js. Second, what type of data will the data is? Customer, customer, and what? And the last one, not sure. So make sure, make sure you are in the last two. Now we have completed this. We have completed this table. So the remaining work is finish here. Finish button. After finish button, we go this one. We go to make sure to select this one. Select this one and also this one. Make sure, okay. Now I'm selecting MO3, then colors. Make sure this one. Cluster or AWS and make sure you reach. Make sure you region. Okay, you region. This is by default, okay. Your region, you can select your nearest region. Your nearest region. By default, it selects your nearest. For example, I'm from in East Africa, so the four Middle East, Bahrain also in East South. And then finally, select create deployment. Create deployment, we select, we put this create deployment. Steer, no steer. What about this second one? Yeah. Yes, this is for learning purpose. This one is for learning purpose. The next one is what about it? But Okay. But we can copy this one, but we will do this one in the next session. So first we should find the security. The securities we should first do security part. The security. Before that, security. Quick start. The security quick start. This one, click here because it must have a good mm, security authentication. So let's click authentication, quick start. Yeah, this is doing first. Make sure doing here. Make sure doing here. Then the password section. Select this password section. The password you should put this one. Put this one. Okay. You should put somewhere. Somewhere. You should put this, or you can change your password, or you can create your own. This is for learning purpose. I will use this for the so you should put in your secured place. For example, let me put in my email. Okay, let's copy username, copy username. Let's put here username, password, because we will use for the next time this password, but we can change. You can change again. Then copy password. Then now I can continue. Then lastly, we should click create user. We should click this one. Create it after copy. We should click create it. But don't forget to put this one, your password in your reserve in the place in a secured place. So let's click it, create user. Now we got our user. Can, as you see here, we can also edit or rename. We can also edit or rename. Now let's continue still. Select this part. Select this one. Select this one and let's select. Then go down. Put this one. Okay. Yeah. The main purpose is this IP address. Don't forget anyway. It's forget. We have to say edit. We have to also edit. Edit this one. Edit this one. And put the IP address here. Let's do it one by one. Let's do it one by one. Edit, and this is another item, so we should put this one 0.0.0.0. This helps us to use our IP address at here. Then we should say update to use update. Yeah, we put this one. Now it is 0, got this one. So finally we can say finish and close. Finish. Finish and close. Why it is not change? Let's finish and close. Yeah. Go to congratulations on setting up access holders. So it says go to overview. Yeah. Still now we got this one, but we do we will continue. We will continue to network section. Network section. The network section. We should continue to the network section to allow address. Second one is to allow address. Network section. Okay. Click network section. Yeah, network section. Go to my location. Say change every time. I will do still is a network section. Yeah, I got this network section. To the network section, click here, then click here, add my network section, add my network section. Add my network section. Okay, let's click network section. Yeah, we got this one, this tab. Then we should click this place. Then we should click this place and finally confirm. Add current node. Yeah, it puts this one. Then confirm. Now we got this one. We got this one. Now we got this one. After this, where should it connect? We should it connect. Yeah, we got this one connect. We want this one, this folder. We want this service because we got our cluster. Now the next step is connect, connect, connect. Okay, connect. But we will use this one for the next time, for the next in chapter 2. In chapter 2, we will read because we will connect takes us to this. We will see this one when we are talking on when we are talking on chapter 2. When we are talking when we are talking for integrating MongoDB to Express, we will say connect and continue to the next steps. See, for today, it is enough. Subscribe my channel and thank you so much for listening. We will also integrate codes and doing some connections, such as, for example, let's see some samples in the next chapter. We will do connections. We will connect the database section. We will see the database. Yeah, we will see this one, const database, and also connect this one. And in our slide also we will see also for the next time, for the next time. So thank you so much. We will meet again. We will see this browse selection next time. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you tomorrow.